Make I show you something wey fit save your engine from serious wahala. Trust me, no be every time mechanic need touch your motor. Some things you fit check by yourself.
Plenty people just dey drive every day without checking their engine oil. Before you know am, small problem don turn big repair.
Today, I'll show you a simple engine oil check that takes just a few minutes. First thing, park your car for better level ground and off the engine completely.
Allow the engine to cool for a few minutes so the oil can settle properly.
Use clean rag, wipe the dipstick first, then put them back inside finish and pull them out again. Now this one will show you the correct oil level. Check the markings carefully. If the oil is between the minimum and maximum lines, your oil level is perfectly fine.
If the oil black well or dirty like this, if it means say the oil done old and you need change them.
Old or dirty oil cannot protect your engine properly. Over time, it can cause serious wear and expensive repairs. So use quality synthetic oil. If your oil low, add the correct engine oil small. No overfill am because too much oil fit still damage engine.
After topping up, tighten the oil cap and inspect the engine bay one last time to make sure everything is properly closed.
Engine oil, they reduce friction, so all the engine parts, they move smoothly. Without enough oil, engine fit overheat. This simple check takes only a few minutes, but it can save you thousands in repair costs and help your engine last much longer.
No wait until warning lights show before you check your oil. By then, wahala fit don start already.
Make it a habit to inspect your engine oil every week. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper than major repairs. Take care of your motor and your motor go take care of you too. Small maintenance today fit save you big money tomorrow. Before you go, hit the follow and subscribe button for more practical car maintenance tips that keep your vehicle running smoothly.